Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your phone model and operating system because compatibility determines your options. Once done, clear or back up enough storage so recordings won't fail mid-session. Next, choose the method: built-in app if available, a third-party recorder from the App Store, or an external hardware recorder for high fidelity. Make sure you accept any permission prompts for mic and storage. Skipping these will block recording. This gets you ready to install or enable the recorder immediately. You now install and configure the recorder. Open the App Store, pick a reputable recorder, and install. Once installed, grant microphone and storage permissions so recording can run in the background. Then adjust recording quality. Choose MP3 for space efficiency or WAV for higher fidelity, and set sample rate if offered. Also select a save folder or cloud sync to avoid local loss. Finally, test a short recording to confirm levels and playback before relying on it for important calls. Finish by performing a full test. Make a short live call and record to verify both sides are captured clearly, adjusting mic gain if needed. If you need higher quality, use wired headphones or a call splitter to reduce echo and background noise. Once satisfied, schedule automatic recordings or bookmark the app for quick access. If recording fails, check permissions, disable aggressive battery optimization, and close other audio apps. These steps resolve most issues and get you reliably recording in production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.